view experiment data directly in the BioLector XT software, navigate to the Experiments menu. You will also find live data in this menu in case a cultivation experiment is currently running on the connected BioLector instrument. Choose one from all available experiment datasets from the menu ribbon to be displayed in the history plot, as it is demonstrated here. The currently selected dataset is highlighted by a small blue triangle. Use the eye symbol to hide or unhide datasets from the history plot. Once the desired dataset is selected, choose the wells from the Scratch MTP that is shown next to the history plot. Either click on individual wells or hold down the mouse button and select multiple wells at once. Next, go to the Channels tab and select the channels that should be displayed. Via the arrow buttons, you can choose between the first and second y-axis for any graph. In the Parameters tab, you have the option to display, for instance, the cultivation temperature or shaking speed in the diagram. Navigate to the Chart Settings tab for altering the diagram style. Here you may change the graph style and have the key shown or hidden. For a more in-depth analysis, you can select single graphs by left-clicking them once. This will show the respective x and y values while hovering over the graph. Hold down the right mouse button and select an area of the diagram to zoom in. Hold the scroll wheel down to move in any direction. To reset the view, double-click anywhere in the diagram. It's also possible to export the history plot as a PNG or JPEG file. Select Export as Picture.